I want to ask you, you ever have some challenges in the bedroom? Is your intimacy really starting to decline? It can get really frustrating for guys, but you know what? It's almost a normal progression in most men. Statistics show that almost every single man over the age of 50 will have a sexual performance issue at some point or another in their life. And a lot of times it's related to the lining of the erectile tissue or something that's called the endothelium. And when this tissue starts to age, it does a lot of the same things that go on in the heart. It gets calcified, it stops to produce the chemicals that are necessary for the right reactions, that is the trapping of blood for a proper erection. And you know what, it's just this aging process that seems to really wear down on erectile function. Well, there is a remarkable treatment that has now been out almost 10 years in the United States. It's based off of the theory that used to kill sailors in submarines during World War II. That is, the sound wave would actually penetrate the submarine and kill people without damaging the sub. The same technology has been harnessed to treat kidney stones and others, and now is available for erectile function. We use this thing called PulseWave therapy that sends mechanical pulses into the tissues that causes a minor damage and induces those tissues to heal. And in the healing process, the lining of the endothelium restores itself to a more functioning level, allowing it to do the things and create the chemical responses that are necessary to produce an erection. And so when you harness this energy, you can dramatically improve people's sexual function. It really is revolutionary. It's virtually painless. It takes about 20 minutes in the office, and when combined with some other things like stem cells or Botox, it can be quite amazing in what it does. I have a patient that's 72 years old, and he comes in every 3 to 6 months to get restored, and he says it's been amazing for him. So you know what? If you're having troubles with erectile dysfunction, something simple, easy, and painless can really do something to change your life and restore that sexual intimacy and your ability to perform. So give us a call and ask us about PulseWave therapy. It may be something that may be just right for you.